This apple tree here, which you can almost not see it because it hardly has leaves, it's from seed. I planted this apple tree from seed. There is three of them. It's this one. It's this one. This one I cut back this year. I cut it back to that level there. This one, and then the other one is on the other side of the house. But what I want to talk about is this one today. This apple tree has been sitting like this, dormant for almost the whole of this year. No leaves, nothing. In actual fact, I even thought maybe it's about to die, or I don't know what's going on with it anyway. But then, look at this. It started blossoming with the spring coming in. And not only has it started producing leaves, it also produced flowers, and those flowers are blossoming up there. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know. You tell me if are we having a possibility or a potentiality of having some apples this year. I don't know if we are having that potential. I don't wanna let go of this and then sort of make it swing back with high force and then throw those leaves, those flowers off. And then also you will see, if you look at this branch here, it's arcing like this. It's sort of like bending like this. This branch and this one. But this one has sort of almost like gotten straight over the time. I don't know, does it have flowers as well? Let's see. Let's see before I explain. Yes, it had flowers. I think those are like 2 apples there. I don't know, or 3 of them. I don't know if they will materialize or they won't. But anyway, yeah. So I was still explaining that why they are acting like that. I used to tie this one. You can even see here, it's a little bit rough here because I used to tie it here on the fence, and then when it's windy, it will wrap itself against the fence. And this one, I had a rope tied on it like this because I was trying to sort of bend it over so that it doesn't shoot up straight like that one with the flower. But over time, I undid it and left it alone, and it has now shooting up straight like that. And yeah, and apparently what I didn't know, what I learned later on, of which I thought maybe it's too late for this guy, is that like how I've done that one, that with apple trees, once they reach about 1.2 1.5 meters in height, you have to sort of cut them back so that you encourage more side branches than upward growth. I found that to be very interesting. And yeah, but I'm happy with what I'm seeing here because this apple tree is from seed, and I think I planted them just when Mdeni was born, and Mdeni is 6 years old now. So this will be about 5 and some couple of months old, and it's starting to fruit. Yeah, well, that's what I thought I'll share with you guys today. One of the beautiful nature's miracles, or God's miracles. Even if we don't get apples or apples or apple, depending how you pronounce it, this year. But now I have hope that in the near future it will be producing, and I will be crafting it, or I'll try and draft it so that I've got more, and those draft won't take as long as it has taken to flower and produce. Anyway, that's me being excited here about this whole apple tree. That's, you can almost not see. I mean, the pine trees or coconut trees. Yeah, they sort of like, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, yeah.